probably press start record this time. Hey guys, I'm sorry if you listen to this. Just bear with me. In geometry, there are 3 undefined terms that I stuck to this beat. First is a point, second is a line, third is a plane. Now it's description time. A point is a dot with no dimensions, a place in space. Oh wait, did I forget to mention? They are marked with a capital letter. Connect to, you got a line. Oh gosh, even better. A line is an object that extends with no end. It's made when a dot gets connected with a friend. Much like a dot, it's got no width or thickness, but its length don't stop. It's got a mad persistence. The final definition goes to the plane. I know what you're thinking, that's pretty lame, but it's not. It's got infinite length and width. Fresher than the hecking Prince played by Will Smith. It takes 3 lines to make these bad boys. The only thing flatter than a plane is Illinois. Lowercase letters name these objects. Anything works from an L to an X. So yeah, that was pretty cool. Now we're moving on to part number 2. First, general, now specific, getting more in depth than dermatoglyphics. Collinear points lie on the same line, and now that we got on this grapevine, coplanar points live atop the same plane. Now for the opposites, you know their names. Non-collinear points are not in the same row. Same with non-coplanar points, you just never know where they're going to be, not on the same line. There's a helpful tip for next time. Now moving on to more types of lines. These little lines have many designs, like half lines and segments and somethings and rays. But I think a little postulate's where we'll start today. Postulate 2.1 basically states a line into 3 parts. It separates a half line, and another point. These sets have become disjoint. This postulate also shows the origin of something everyone knows. 1 half line plus a dot. The name I almost forgot. Rays are the union of a half line and its origin. The way you name these has a specific notation. You always name the end point first. If you do it the other way, then you are the worst. And when 2 rays come together, what they make is more valuable than Russian leather. They connect at their endpoint so that they make something that is far better than chocolate cake. An angle is the union of 2 distinct rays connected at their endpoints, and they make 2 different ways. There are many properties of these little guys. We learned about a lot of them. Let's give some a try. Complementary angles up to 90 degrees. Supplementary angles up to double these. Linear pairs are adjacent angles whose non-common sides form a straight angle. Vertical angles are angles adjacent to the same angle and forming linear pairs with it. And now some theorems. Theorem 4.1, all right angles are congruent. There's no contesting that. There's no argument. Theorem 4.3, angles that form linear pairs are supplementary. Theorem 4.5, vertical angles are congruent. There's also no argument. Finally, Theorem 4.6, congruent supplementary angles are right angles. Now that's sick. Now all these theorems are used for proofs, but I'm not rapping about that because I'm already a goof. Yeah, geometry rocks. And I'm going